चलिए आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अगेन नेक्स्ट अवर प्रैक्टिकल फाइन वर्नियर कैलिपर का to find out the volume of the sphere using vernier caliper. Now you can see that this is a sphere. Now you are familiar with the vernier caliper. This is a main scale, this is a vernier scale, fine. This is an upper jaws, lower jaws, and this is the depth pointer, fine. This is a depth pointer, fine. Now you require to find out the volume of this sphere. So initially you must know how to find out the first you find out the diameter and divide by 2 is the radius, and then we can find out the volume, fine. Now you know that what are the apparatus used here, vernier caliper and the given sphere, fine. What is the least count? Least count is the distance between consecutive division on main scale upon total number of division on vernier, fine. You can see here that between 0 and 1 there are how many division? You can see there are 10 divisions, fine. And distance between consecutive division means what, fine? That is 0.1, fine. Distance between consecutive division is 0.1. How many total number of division? You can see here there are 10 division on vernier scale, so it is divided by 10, so it is 0.01 centimeter. So what is the least count of the vernier caliper? That is 0.01 centimeter, fine. Now you need to find out first the diameter of the sphere. Now this is an observation table, fine. First you have to take the main scale reading, and in the main scale reading you can see here, since this main scale reading gives you what, it is 1 point, this is 1 point between 1.7 and 1.8, so you need to write this reading 1.7, fine. This is 1.7, between 1.7 and 1.8. I think it is visible. It is 1.7, between 1.7 and 1.8. So we will write 1.7 main scale reading, fine. Now you need to find out which number of the reading of the vernier scale. That means which division of the vernier scale exactly goes parallel with the main scale, fine. So the reading says that this is the reading, the sixth division. Which is the division coincide exactly with the main scale? That is a 6th division, right? So you can see that 6th division exactly goes parallel with the main scale. So we write here 6. So what would be the n multiplied by least count? That is 6 into 0.01. So this becomes 0.06. So this reading comes out to be totally 1.76. So this 1.76 is the diameter. So 1.76 divided by 2 is the radius, fine. So this becomes 0.8 16, fine. Again 0.88 centimeter, fine. So this is your radius of the sphere. Now we will take the another reading also. You can take by changing the location of the sphere, fine. Location of the sphere can be changed, fine, and here in the lower jaws, fine. So according to this, again we take the reading. So again it is between 1.7 and 1.8, so we will write 1.7, fine, between 1.7 and 1.8. So this is a main scale reading. Now vernier scale reading comes out to be, you know that what is a vernier scale reading? Which division of the vernier scale exactly goes parallel with the main scale, fine. So you must see, fine. You can change the positions like this, you can see it, and you can make out. So the number of the division coinciding would be, again it is 6th division, fine. Again it is 6th division coincides exactly with the main scale. So what I mean to say is how the 6th division exactly coincides. See, it should be like this. Suppose the main scale, you can see that vernier has how many division? 10 division, fine. 6 7 like this, 8 9 10. See, I have shown you magnified way. So there will be some divisions on the main scale that will go either back or it will proceed, फाइन. और यू कैन से कुछ आगे जाएंगे कुछ पीछे जाएंगे. एक ही ऐसा डिवीजन होगा जो एग्जैक्टली इसके साथ कैसे जाएगा, पैरेलल, एंड दैट रीडिंग वी हैव टू टेक. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल हियर इट इज 8, सो यू मस्ट राइट हियर 8. If it is here it is 6, so we have written 6. So which division of the vernier scale exactly goes parallel with the main scale? That is 6. See, exact reading we got in both the cases. So 6 into 0.01, that is 0.06. So this reading comes out to be 1.76. Again the diameter is 1.76, so radius is 0.88. Fine. So 0.88 is a radius. So you know that what is the volume of the sphere? It is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Fine. So 4 upon 3 into 3.14, and this is 0.88. So if I calculate this, so 4 divided by 3, that is equal to, that is 1.33 into 3.14 into 3.14 into 0.88 into 0.88 into 0.88. So that value comes out to be 2.85 centimeter cube. Fine. So this will be what? Ultimately this value comes out to be 2.85 centimeter cube. This is a volume of the sphere, and this is a required result. Fine. The volume of the sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R is 0.88 centimeter. So this reading comes out to be 2.85. In fact 2.853. So you can write 2. Since you know that the least count of the vernier caliper is 0.01, so actually we write in two terms only, that is, or you can say with the resolution, so it comes out to be 2.85 centimeter cube. So this is a required answer. I hope you understand.